Max Specialty Films Limited is the result of more than 2 decades of perseverance and innovation. With pioneering spirit and consistent technological advancements, Max Films today is a global provider of top-of-the-line specialty BOPP films, suited for various packaging, lamination and labeling applications. This started with the setup of the first BOPP line in the early 90s. Ever since, the growth took giant strides. Our infrastructure grew. Capacity of our plant grew from 3,000 tons per annum to 45,000 tons per annum. Product spectrum grew from 20 to more than 200 varieties of products. Globally, our market outreach expanded from 1 to 45 plus countries. We grew from 100 to 400 plus employees strong, with customers base of more than 300. This all resulted into the growth from 40 crore rupees to 750 crores. Max Films is now a subsidiary of Max Ventures and Industries Limited, which is a part of the $2.5 billion Max Group. In 2017, with a vision to be India's most admired and preferred global supplier of specialty polymer films, Max Films embarked on a journey of technological collaboration with the Japanese printing company Topan. It is now Max's strategic partner with 49% stake.
This is an important landmark as far as the company is concerned, where they are augmenting their capacity, and with the relationship and the collaboration we have with our joint venture partners Topan, who have extended their cooperation, we believe that there would be lots of synergistic benefits which is going to accrue to the company.
Indian market is very promising in general, and global investors are approaching to Indian market in this sense. Let's make best efforts together and also enjoy the business together.
Max Films has become a brand synonym with innovation and technological breakthroughs, driven with a strong urge to deliver outstanding solutions to the customer's needs. It is yet again poised for a new expansion drive and capacity augmentation. Presenting Line 5, world's most advanced and revolutionary BOPP asset. A one-of-its-kind engineering marvel that brought together the best of innovation, vision, and immaculate strategy.
This latest line extension will also deepen the company's presence in the Indian market through innovation, through new products, in particular going up the value chain.
First of all, I'm very happy to celebrate our new BOPP Line 5. I strongly believe that the state-of-the-art unique equipment will be a great engine for our business expansion.
Line 5 is a vision conceived by Max Brainpower, given life by the Bruckner Group.
Namaste. This new line is a 5-layer line. It's the first time from Bruckner company this kind of technology. So what we can see in this technology now, that we have a new coating system, online coating system, which is improving and speeding up the production of the film.
The 8.7 meter wide, 5-layer BOPP line is designed to handle sensitive specialty films that deliver higher thickness beyond 60 microns, which are best-in-class web profile control, and new range of labeling and packaging films of unrivaled standards.
The Line 5 is most unique in its kind in the world today, and I'm sure we will keep pushing the boundaries further with our innovation and further improvement into the line. As this situation, it offers inline coating into the BOPP segment, which is the first of its kind. What this enables us to do, what currently is being done in 2 or 3 steps. As we go on this journey, we will take further enhancements into this line, and with the needs of the industry growing and the recyclability, which is a core aspect for each one of us in the industry and across the globe today, our Line 5 will be able to offer more enhanced, thicker products, which can then replace the need for multiple add-ons.
So this line number 5 is specifically designed for 3 main themes. The first one is recyclability. BOPP film, which is compatible with other polyolefins, can be recycled easily, and this line is designed for thicker films so that monolayer application can also be used from this line. And the second one is barrier properties. With this inline coating facility, we can have better barrier properties. And the third application is print receptability. Print receptability, as you know, it is very important for label applications, and we are going to produce pressure-sensitive labels. And with these 3 themes, we can have mix and match and produce good quality of film.
More importantly, customers want leading technology, consistent products and services, and long-term partnerships. This investment of ours in a technologically advanced, first of its kind BOPP line in the world is another step in pursuit to remain ahead. It will allow us to roll out cutting-edge products directed towards sustainability, recyclability, along with enhancing the performance of our current products.
The addition of a new Line 5 brings along 2 main benefits for us. One, we will now be able to offer the entire range of label films, that is PSLs, IMLs and wraparounds, and high barrier films with international acceptance. This flexibility will in turn translate into better service levels for all our existing and future customers.
The idea, creation, and the installation of this pioneer BOPP line comes from the foundation of innovative and strategic foresight.
This will help redefine the performance and quality expectations of the industry. We would be able to bring products which are value for money and in line with the sustainability trends required by the industry.
Line 5 is truly a giant leap for Max Specialty Films. We conceived this to make sure that we are not just a marginal player in the BOPP space in India, but we are in the top 4 in terms of scale and absolutely the best in terms of technology. The investment in Line 5, and in particular the technology that we are investing in Line 5, will give Max Specialty Films the ability to be true to its vision of serving the needs of our customers, especially those in the specialty product segment.
The expansion will strengthen the company's position in the specialty packaging film industry and will raise installed capacity from 45,000 tons to 80,000 tons per annum. That translates into more max power. This majestic feat, at an outlay of 250 crore rupees, carries an incredible experience and enlightening association.
I have no doubt that we could achieve a great success with everyone's continuous effort on this project.
It is an honor that I, as a board member of Max Specialty Film, can celebrate the completion of BOPP number 5 line together with you. Thank you very much and congratulations.
Congratulations to the MSF team. I'm delighted to say and to congratulate you for the launch of Line 5, which is a huge commitment to the growth of the company.
In this journey, I'd like to thank our partners, our customers, and most importantly, all our team members who have worked tirelessly day and night to make sure that in spite of all our challenges, we have been able to make Line 5 a reality and a success.
I'd like to congratulate this management team and wish them all the very best as they embark upon the next phase of their journey in Max Specialty Films.
It is my privilege to be a part of this momentous point in the journey of Max Specialty and be a part of bringing this new Line 5, the giant leap for our company.
And then we have our clients who have avidly endorsed and inspired Max Films in creating pioneering solutions and will be part of this new journey. Innovation, customer service and operational excellence are the driving force of Max Films. We are about breakthroughs. We are about pioneering technology. We are Max Specialty Films. Let's together make this expansion a huge success. The giant leap. New records will be set right here at Line 5.